Righto, it's day 2, long drive for a drought, so we're going to be heading to Hebel today, and yesterday was absolutely sensational. If you didn't catch it, jump back and look at the old video. So a whole lot of stuff went on here at Moree, and we're going to head off this morning at about 8, so a nice late start for us. But I have some major concerns with Minty. Pulled in yesterday and is really starting to make a terrible knocking noise in the engine. So as you'll see, all we can really do at this point is just keep sending it and see how we go. We've got a lot of crew around us, very supporting, as you saw yesterday. We will just cross our fingers, keep praying, and we'll see how we go. Anyway, let's start her up and see if we can get on the road. Long drive for a drought. It's all about raising money for these Aussie farmers that have done it tough through Drought Angels. This is the Land Cruiser community all over, isn't it?
That's right. Absolutely, mate. Yep.
What the Drought Angels gave to us over the drought was just absolutely amazing.
Epic journey. Amazingly, it doesn't sound too bad this morning. We'll wait to see what happens when it heats up. We might get another day out of it, eh? Looks like more concerning issues happening over here as well.
Yeah, Josh working on a car, as you can see.
If it's any consolation, if I see bonnets up and people working, it makes me feel a little bit better.
That's normal for a 40, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much. You just got to give them love.
Maintenance.
Righto, so there was a few breakdowns this morning, just getting things sorted for other cars. Cool part of today is we're going to stop at Lighting Ridge. Now at Lighting Ridge there's a gallery by John Moree. Now we've been there many times, haven't we? It is so cool. What's cool about John Moree is that he does some awesome outback paintings of Australia, and he actually ties in 40 series Land Cruisers into quite a number of his pictures, so it's pretty cool, very impressive, a really cool style. Alia actually has one of these prints up on your wall, don't you? Jack has one on his, I've got one on my shed. He's got some really cool stuff. He's one of my favourite artists, so looking forward to going there today, as long as Minty gets us there. A bit of a knock knock. Anyway, let's hit the road. Guys?
Oh, the most important one. So we pulled up here and I had no key, no start, but it was just this rattled loose, that's it. And we rattled a muffle loose as well. And obviously just getting a bit throaty up here. But otherwise travelling well.
We'll get some essentials. But let's go get some stuff sorted out. Chem tools to the rescue. Turn on, that's better. On Molytac lithium grease from Chem Tools.
There we go. It's coming out the top now. There we go.
Alright, so we've just left Lighting Ridge. We did a little bit of a quick check under the tappets. Unfortunately, it's a little bit more sinister than that. Getting better? No. Right, look here. How about you there?
Undo a little bit, try to loosen a little bit. Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
But anyway, we're back on the road and we've got the opportunity and pleasure of doing another farm visit. So we'll go visit their farm and hear their story as well. Again, how Drought Angels and Log Drive for a Drought are helping out in all situations. It's a bit of a rough road, this one, a fair few corrugations. Cruising around, it's pretty funny what's happening right now. Bit of a rough road. My horn keeps beeping every time I go over a bit of a bump or some corrugations. So I've had to make the radio call up to let everyone know that I'm not beeping my horn on purpose to people. It's just a bit funny. Although Alia thinks it's a little bit embarrassing.
What?
So there we go. Our horn bracket's fallen off. So we'll take them off and tape those wires up.
New work car, I think. New battery, should fire up and go.
This doesn't look too good to you fellas, but it is. So it was fabulous 12 months ago. So that's all it takes, is to not have rain for The country here is as good as anywhere in the New England. It's just the rainfall. 500 bales, we thought, oh, we'll be right for a couple of years. We used it the next year. Yeah.
And the winner is Orange D29.
So Dad, we're going to do a crack tomorrow driving.
What episode's this one going on, Jace?